Hey guys. All right. We're ready. Me and Dorian taking this thing out. So we got the lift plate bolted down. I was just under it, cursing up a storm, trying to slide out the engine mount bolts because they were already loose and everything, but it's just so low to the ground and I didn't want to lift it and pull it out and then the motor fall on top of me or something, you know. So, I mean, not that it can, but you know what I mean. So this thing's ready to go. So we're gonna take it nice and easy. You're gonna pump as when I tell you, and I'm gonna guide this thing out and make sure I don't snag anything or break anything and blah, blah, blah. And that's the plan. So if I tell you to stop pumping, you stop pumping because I see something is caught. I should have everything disconnected. I also don't want it to swing forward and smash the condenser. I don't want it to come this way and break the heater box or pull any wires, but we're straight over it, so it should just come straight up. But I'm gonna guide it. So pump, and remember, if it starts to roll or something, you tell me, you stop pumping right away, and you say, "Oh, it's rolling," because we're not gonna mess that fender up. Okay? All right. Let's get this guy out. Oh, I know you are. Let's see it. Hold on. The car's coming with it right now. And I don't want to do that because it's on the lift. There's no wheel right there. Alright, go ahead. Can you pump? Or do you need me to do it? Go ahead. She's coming. Yeah, she's free. It's all you. Hold on, let me just, hear that antifreeze falling onto the floor? Totally missing the bucket? Oh yeah! That's tasty stuff. Alright. Go ahead. Yeah. Did it roll forward? Are you close to the fender or are you good?
I'm like this close.
Yeah, let me look.
If I smooth this.
Yeah, I want to pull it this way. There you go, you got room. Where's that blue foam thing?
Oh.
Try, I mean it's hard because
Is that the
it's not gonna, right, exactly. So just let me know if it rolls forward again, it'll be fine. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hold it.
Stop.
Yeah, I'm just trying to look at the back here. It's the manifold. So I gotta bring it forward a little bit. Alright, pump it up.
Ooh.
Hold that. See, it's just, I don't want to mess up the heater box.
Well,
So
this
I want to roll it this way. And I want to roll it. Hold on.
Dad, it looks like it's caught on something, and if we go that way, then
What's it look like it's caught on?
I don't know because it's
All
looks
these
like
wires
this.
are part of it. Don't worry. Hold on. So. It's got no trans in it. And the car can roll. So I should have chopped the wheels.
Start going.
Not yet. I want to watch it. I can't think of everything. Hey, look, it's missing the drain again. I was hoping to get it all on the floor. I'm still hitting this heater box a little bit. I want to come forward.
Backwards.
This way.
Ooh. Tasty.
Oh, I made it on the drain.
Yeah.
Alright, we're definitely clear the heater box now.
So.
You go up.
Cool.
That's the windshield wiper motor, so we gotta watch that. You okay? Go ahead.
It's just
Hold on. This line is snagged on it. Oh, look at this clip I missed. Transmission line, but it's already off. Okay.
got it.
Yeah, she's free now. But those lines were just floating in the breeze anyway. Go ahead.
Start pumping.
Yeah, go on.
I'm looking at the flywheel,
Yeah,
and
I see it. Go ahead. She's going.
wait, hold on.
It's fine. Go. All right, take a break.
Good.
Just a second. Let's gonna snag these wires if I don't do that. What are you worried about? This is part of it.
No, this is like that.
Well, it's close. Of course it's gonna be close, but it's okay. Go up. Go ahead. Pump, baby.
It's hidden.
Pump. Just pump. Stop. What? It's in what? Sorry.
It's in the tape.
Hold on. Hold on. You're right. Let me see if I can roll forward here. All right, I'll hold it. Go up. Sorry, I had to pee. Go ahead. You clear back there?
Yep.
All right, go ahead. I'm all clear over here. I'm snagging a wire, but it's loose. Hang on.
Yeah, I see it too.
Yeah, it sounds like this manifold's messing me up. All right, go ahead. I got the one. Ow, it's my pinky. Go ahead. Pump, pump, pump.
Fast?
Yeah, go.
Ooh.
Pump. Hold it. Hold it.
It's on this.
Okay, it's just clip in the corner. 1 second, 1 second. Go ahead. Go. Up, up, up. Go, up. Oh. We're clear of the wiper motor back there, right?
Yep.
Alright, go. Pump her up. Pump up the jam.
Pump it up.
Stop. I heard something. Let me look.
You're so close. Come on.
Just look. Yeah, it's hitting the wiper motor. Go ahead. You're clear. Go. 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 Yeah, alright. I don't want to jerk, you know. Jerking motion, nice and smooth. Go ahead. Alright, hang on.
We gotta go up, so this
No, we're gonna go around that. Go ahead, go up a couple more.
5 more. 2, 3,
Alright. One more.
4.
Now, you want to come backwards? You pull nice and nice, smooth. Yeah. Go ahead. Stop. Stop.
Couple more
I'm
pumps.
no. I'm gonna give it a little spin.
Like I
Go ahead. Smooth, nice and back. Smooth. Stop. Hit a rock or something. So that this stupid washer, this stupid piece of plastic right here, will hold us up completely. Watch your feet. Oops. Sorry. I have to go, right? There you go. Any stupid little piece of anything will stop these wheels. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'm clear of that. Look at that hinge. I'm good? Yeah, go back. Go. Good. She's free.
Woo!
That's how you do it. Oh look, more antifreeze.
Yay! More tasty stuff.
By the time I get the bucket, I'll run out.
Ooh, you got it, Dad. Ooh.
That's it.
I wanna get
Sorry,
it.
I'm blinding you. That's it.
Get it on.
No, I'm done. Yeah. All right. And that's how you take a motor out of a 86 custom cruiser wagon. Not bad. High five. Thank you.
Take the phone. Show them the engine.
I can. So, I'll just keep this orientation. You know, lots of fluid, more fluid,
It looks like blood.
lots of fluid. It's transmission fluid. It's just dirty. So, no damage to the heater box. Couple scratches, no big deal. Everything is good.
Oh, Dad.
Let's see old grimy. Hold on. Not so bad. 47,000 miles. Just a little bit of grime. Will be for sale if anybody wants a Olds 307. Thanks to this boy. Thank you. Hey, listen. Don't get under it. If this thing breaks for some reason and falls on your foot's toast. So safety first, okay?
It'll look like the pirate. It'll look like the pirate.
Yeah, but it won't feel good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted when this guy's going in. Oh, yeah.